So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and restore an iPhone, but you don't seem to have a PC or a Mac around you to go and restore it with. Now, doing this is actually pretty easy, but you will have to have an iPhone 16 or an iPad that has an A17 chip or newer near you. So you will have to have some sort of iPad mini 7, I think, or an iPhone 16 or above to do this. So on an iPhone that you're restoring from, in this case, I have an iPhone 13 here. What you want to do is if you don't have the capability of restoring it via a wire or via, a PC, you want to grab an iPhone 16. So if your friend has an iPhone 16 or if your family member has an iPhone 16 or whatever the case is, you want to grab your iPhone 16 and you want to bring it near your particular iPhone that you want to restore from. When you do that, as long as it's on iOS 18 or above, you're going to get this pop-up at the bottom. So it's going to say Restore Nearby iPhone. So if your iPhone is in restore mode, what you want to do is with this iPhone 16, you want to go ahead and click on Continue. What's going to happen is this iPhone is going to start wirelessly restoring this particular iPhone. So it's going to restore it. It's going to be able to do it just like a PC would, but in this case, it's going to be wireless. Now, before you do that, make sure that you're charging up both of these phones because it's going to take a lot of power. It's going to take a long time probably. So go through and make sure both these phones are charged up. Make sure there's no issues with it. After they're charged up, after they're good to go, essentially you'll be good to go from there. You've now restored your iPhone without even having to use a computer or a Mac. So in terms of that, that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.